Today we'll show you how to retension a premium retractable banner stand. Before we begin, you'll need to grab a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a pair of locking pliers, and if you have painter's tape, grab that too. To access the roller within the base, the part that we are retensioning, we will need to remove the 2 aluminum profiles that sit behind the leader. From experience, we recommend adding painter's tape like so to keep the aluminum profiles together. This helps prevent either of them from falling into the base. Starting on the left side, remove the end caps. To remove them, insert your fingertips underneath, pull down, and pull out. Unscrew and remove the first 2 screws as shown in the video. Gently loosen the other 5 screws by a maximum of 2 turns. We'll repeat the same steps on the right-hand side. If you did not tape the 2 profiles together, we recommend gripping them before removing the screws that are holding it in place. Remove the first 2 screws as shown in the video and loosen the remaining 5 screws by a maximum of 2 turns only. Ensure you have a secure grip on both pieces so that they do not fall inside the base. Remove and set aside. To help explain how to retension the banner stand, we are removing the locking pin from the right side of the base to demonstrate what the stand would be like with no spring tension applied to the roller. If you feel like the stand has only partial tension on the spring, removing the locking pin releases any existing tension, allowing you to start fresh and apply the correct number of turns to reload the spring. Using the locking pin, depress the spring-loaded roller protrusion on the right-hand side of the base and remove the internal roller. Roll the leader onto the internal roller. Holding the leader tight to the roller, attach locking pliers to the flat protrusion on the left side of the roller. Rotate pliers clockwise 32 full revolutions. Once complete, slowly allow the pliers to roll counterclockwise to allow the small catch visible in the end of the roller to drop into the small indent. This holds the spring mechanism in place. Now, this next step is extremely important as the spring roller will not work correctly if it is installed incorrectly. Rotate the internal roller so that the small catch and the small indent are sitting at 8 o'clock. Holding the roller exactly as shown in the video, insert the flat protrusion vertically into the left side of the base into the bottom hole. On the right-hand side, insert the roller back into the base by depressing the spring-loaded roller protrusion. Be sure to insert the roller into the bottom hole. Next, we need to activate the roller mechanism and reinsert the locking pin. Grip the leader tightly and pull it out of the base. Note that doing this will activate the spring and there will be sudden tension on the roller. Do not let the leader be pulled out of your hand, as this would undo everything you've done so far. When enough of the leader is out of the base, insert the locking pin on the right side. The leader can now be let go as it is held in place by the locking pin. Now we will reassemble the unit. Start by replacing the 2 metal aluminum profiles. If you tape them together in the beginning, you can ignore this part, but you'll notice that the 2 pieces are slightly different in width. So be sure that they are centered with one another and are evenly spaced on both the left and the right-hand side. Secure the aluminum profiles with 2 screws. And tighten the other 5 screws that you previously loosened. Repeat on the opposite side. Replace the end caps on each side. Remove the tape from the top of the banner stand, and voila! The banner stand is now ready for install.